Welcome to Forest Park and 229 Marengo Avenue. This is a building with beautiful one-bedroom apartments available, and it also has parking if you decide that's helpful to you. Of course, in Oak Park and River Forest, there's no overnight parking. We do have parking out behind the building, and we have a number of covered spaces under the building. We're in the lobby of 229 Marengo Avenue. Beautiful lobby, just refinished, with a secure entrance so packages can be dropped inside, and the public portion of the lobby with mailboxes, a call box where your guests can call you to let them in, and the outside entrance. And I'm just going to take you down the hall here for 1 second and show you one of the brightest, cleanest laundry rooms you've ever seen. Nice big window, nice and bright, clean and well kept. Even has a folding table. Welcome to Unit 405 at 229 Marengo Avenue. We're going to do a little walkthrough so you have a chance to really see the apartment, all the nooks and crannies. And you don't have to come down if you're more comfortable seeing that. So as we walk in, you see a breakfast area over here. Nice place for a breakfast table, kitchen to the left, and the living room straight ahead. Let's start with the kitchen. So we have a fridge, stove, new cabinet, new counters, nice cabinet space. Yes, the burners are out of the stove because they're doing some cleaning and maintenance here. Always a well looked after building. And you know, it's a cozy kitchen, but it's very functional. As we turn to the right here, we see the living room. There, turn up the light a bit. And good sized space, lots of room for a couch, a few chairs, TV, bookcase, even a desk. And as you can see, it has a sleeve AC unit, keeps it nice and comfortable, and a thermostat here on the wall. Let's go out to the balcony. And it's pretty bright out here today. Having trouble what I'm seeing here. Okay, so it's a nicely partitioned balcony. Each person has their own space that adjoins two apartments. A nice setting here with trees and birds. And out back here we see other apartments as well as the parking out back. So we're back going inside. Again, a nice space. Over beside the entry door here we have the entry closet and lots of space there. Intercom, because it is a controlled access building. And then we're going to go down the hall here and take a look at the bathroom. It's actually a nice spacious bathroom. Lots of storage here. Lots of counter space around the sink to keep all those personal items handy. And a newly refinished white bathtub. Looks pretty sparkly. I'm going to back up a little bit and show you here a closet. I call this the vacuum cleaner closet. The shelves start a little higher. They're up there right now because they've done some painting. And then over here we have a large closet. Again, the shelves are folded up because they're just finished painting. Let's go into the bedroom. And it really is a good sized bedroom. Lots of room for a queen size bed, dressers, side tables or end tables. And look at that. A double closet. Lots of room for clothes, and over here is another double closet, so lots of room for seasonal clothes. Again, good size bedroom. Let's go back out this way and take a final look around here. Living room, good space. Kitchen. Fridge, stove, exhaust fan, nice new counters, good cabinet space, and the breakfast area. Hope you enjoyed this walkthrough of apartment 405 at 229 Marengo Avenue.